welcome back to my channel. Today we're packing my uni bag. I'm leaving for school in 4 days and I've started packing and stuff, so let's get started. My bag just came in the mail today, so we are gonna be unboxing it together. I took it out of the box and it's still wrapped in all the other stuff, so let's do it. Here's that. It's a Coach bag. The which one is this? Let me see. It's the Coach Lana bag and Bluebell. Alright, it's all emptied out. Let's take off the tag. Oops, drop the bag. Very gorgeous. It has pockets on the inside. And then there's a pocket inside of that pocket, like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that one. But it's really spacious. It has a lot of pockets. And it's gorgeous. I love it so much. We are going to decorate Lana. I have Ethosy. I stole them from my friend like 2 years ago. Last year, I think. Last year or 2 years ago, I don't remember. But he's been on my other bag since. But we're going to move him to this bag. And then we have this cherry charm from Coach. My best friend got me this as a birthday gift with another bag from Coach like 2 years ago. So we're going to move this to here. We're going to put it on a little strap. Here we are, very cute. Looks good. Ethosy does look like he's hanging on for dear life right now, but it's okay. He's fine. He's doing great. Looks good. Now that that's done, the first thing going into the bag is going to be my MacBook. I got this literally like 2 months ago. So it's brand new. Decorated it. She's very cute. Very me. Computer fits fine. I'm going to throw my iPad in here next. I use my iPad for literally everything. I'm definitely going to be using it to take notes too. I take notes on here. I edit on here. I do everything on here. Feels a little heavy, but it's okay. We're gonna do a notebook. I don't really take notes. Well, actually, I take quite a bit of notes. I like writing things down. So I have a notebook, just one notebook, it's fine because I can type everything into my computer or write it down on my iPad. So we're just gonna do one notebook. And that's gonna go in here. I'm also gonna throw my planner in here. It's a 15-month planner. I got this literally the other day, so I haven't written anything on it yet. I got it for school. Planner is in. Next we have this little pouch. I'm gonna throw in all my like essentials. We have 2 pens, blue and pink, highlighters, sticky notes. I use sticky notes to just write the important stuff down on my notes and or elaborate and go into further when I'm writing notes down and I need to like have that little space to just be a little more specific or go into more detail, I like to use my sticky notes for that. Some mechanical pencils with extra lead and erasers. This is all that's gonna go into this pouch. Now we're gonna just throw that in here. Next, I'm gonna throw in some hand cream, and that's gonna go in the middle pocket. My favorite lip products, which right now are the Summer Fridays lip balm, this Uni lip oil, and the Dior lip oil. This is like my 5th one. I'm so obsessed with this lip product. It's so good. For my hand cream, I hate how like overly drying the soap is in the bathrooms, so I always need a hand cream. And right now my favorite is the EOS lotion hand cream. It smells so good. This is the shea butter. This is the shea butter one. I don't think I've used it yet. It smells so good. You can't go wrong with this hand cream. I'm also gonna throw my sunnies in here. I got these from Amazon. They're really good. I got a black pair. I got 2 pairs. I got a black pair. I like, which look really good. And I also got these ones too. These are my favorite. They just look so cool. Yeah, my sunnies, I'm gonna throw them right in here. I think there's a bit of room for my Stanley, so I might throw that in there. Yeah, there's a bit of room in here. We're gonna throw my Stanley in here. Ugh, this is heavy. Can't forget my AirPods. Need those. It is quite a bit heavy, but she'll be fine. This is her. Carrying it around won't be too hard because when I got this bag, I really wanted to make sure the straps were thick so it wouldn't be much of an issue carrying it around, so it wouldn't be too strenuous on my shoulder, and a thick strap supports a lot of weight better. So that's mainly why I got this bag. And yeah, like my calculator, my graphing calculator and emergency products are gonna be in here, but they're in a different pouch and I can't find that right now, but when I do, they will be going in here. And yeah, she's heavy. I may end up leaving my iPad behind or my MacBook. I might not carry both at the same time because this holds quite a bit of weight to it. This is basically what's in my bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and mwah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.